How to change your Instagram story from close friends to everyone. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to show you how we can take our story from close friends to everyone. First, open the Instagram app and make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the plus icon at the very top left and upload the content that you want to upload as story. Now from the bottom you can see a arrow icon. Tap on it. There you can select to upload either for your story that includes everyone or close friends. If you tap on close friends, you can edit the close friends list. Hit done after you complete editing the close friends list and hit share. Your story is uploaded to close friends list now. Tap on the story and tap on the three dots at the bottom to click more. There you can see go to story settings. Tap on it and scroll below. Here you cannot find any option that allows you to share the close friend story to everyone. However, you can edit the close friend list. Tap on the close friends and add as much many people as you want in order to edit the close friends list and hit done. If you don't want to do this, just tap on the three buttons and hit delete and re-upload the same story to your Instagram. And that's it. That is how you take your close friend stories to everyone on Instagram. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more similar tech content.